And hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Blona Hub. And in this video, we're gonna share our next week gold fundamental analysis. Okay, so let's start. As you know that XAUUSD always connected with USD. That's why we have to follow USD news during the gold trade. Okay, so there is two short note as you can see there. So for positive news, if news data come with positive value like 0.5%. 245k indicates sell for gold. Okay, I will explain later why for sell, why for buy. Okay, why for positive news we took sell or we take sell, why for negative news we will buy. Okay, we will explain that later. Okay, if news data come with negative like red 0.5%, red 245k indicates buy for XAUUSD. That means for red data we will buy gold, for green data we will sell gold. Okay, so let's begin. So if we if you see this particular area, you may notice that suppose 1 XAUUSD is equal to 2500, that means 2500. Okay, suppose one gold bar value is 2500 USD. Okay, so as you can see there, that's equal. So if gold, as you can see there is a 2 point over here, gold value is always fixed. Okay, it's constant as always, and USD value can be changed. Okay, that means currency value is changeable and gold value is always constant. Okay, and if data come with negative 5%, that means red 5%, USD value will be decreased and gold value at the time bigger than USD. That's why as you can see then when news come, that means gold value will be increased. So we have to buy gold because gold value will be increased. Same for positive news. Suppose 5% positive. So if we add in this particular area plus 5% go, that means value in dollar, it will increase 5%. As you can see there, this particular triangle is bigger than previous one. That means 5% bigger than previous one. So in this area, US value bigger than USD value bigger than gold, so gold is going to decrease. So we have to sell gold in this particular area. Hopefully you understand this thing. So let me remove all of the noise or all of the drawing. So let's get back into the market or the news chart on the market. Okay, as you can see there, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and finally Friday we have NFP news. As you can see there, we have NFP news in every month first Friday. Okay, as you can see, the November 1 is Friday, so we have USD NFP news on this date. So we have to keep our concern on this day. Okay, so let's check the Monday's market. As you can see there is one CAD news, so there is no major USD news. Okay, that's why we have to avoid this day's news data, because we only need USD or USD red news or USD major or semi-major or non-major news. Okay, but there is one more thing is working fine or working very much, that is geopolitical issue. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is a geopolitical issue? Geopolitical issue is Russia-Ukraine war, Middle East tension, Middle East war. Okay, like like Israel, Iran, and Israel, Palestine, and Israel, Houthi, or blah blah blah. Okay, and we have to keep our concern on US election. Okay, there is one Russia-Ukraine, 2 Middle East, and 3 US election. There is 3 major things happening around the world, so we have to keep our concern on these 3 major particular area. Okay, so we have firstly we have to concern 3 major particular area: US election, Middle East war, and Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, these 3 particular area. And in Tuesday we have one semi-major news and 2 major news at the same time. Maybe there is a wrong time showing on my chart, so you may go forexfactory.com and check with your local time zone. Okay, so you will get correct time over here. Okay, as you can see there is 2 time news, and if news data come with positive value like green 5%, I mean green 5%, for green green, we will sell gold. Okay, we will sell gold. And if come with negative data like red 5%, green means that type of data. Okay, comes with green value. Okay, and red means that same type of data but color is red. Okay, and if negative 5%, we will buy gold. Okay, it may negative 2%, it may 0.5%, it may 0.001%. Okay, it may 45k, like that. We will buy gold in this particular red value. Okay, as you can see in Wednesday we have 1, 2, 3, 4 time news. Okay, we have to keep our concern on the major then semi-major. Okay, same thing, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Same thing over here, if data come with positive, we will sell gold. If negative, we will buy gold. And the most powerful news is non-farm employment challenge. Okay, non-farm and NF. Okay, that one. So if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If with negative value, we will buy gold. This is the simple thing. Okay, firstly, till the US election, if you are a small investor like $100 with $100 equity, you may stop your trading for this few particular days. Okay, because market is too much unstable right now. So you have to understand the market situation. There are three things happening around the world: US election, Middle East war, and Russia-Ukraine war. So market is too much unstable and breaking a lot of rules. Okay, so if you want to take risks or if you want to trade on this situation, you must have to manage your risks. Okay, and each and every time you have to put your TP and SL. Okay, without SL, don't trade, guys. Market can move anywhere 200 to 500 pips anytime. Without news, it may be in news or without news. So you have to keep your concern on the geopolitical issue. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, free fundamental analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionaire hub. Link in video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.